Hey guys, so this is the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and the highlight of that device is not just the powerful 8 Plus Gen 1 silicon but also Samsung HP1 200 megapixel camera sensor, which is the highest megapixel count right now. So the Edge 30 Ultra comes in this eco package, and this is how it is done, guys. You're not like what Samsung and Apple is doing, ditching the power brick, making money in the name of environment. So yeah, really nice initiative by Motorola. And then we have some manuals, a case which is always nice, and then comes the Edge 30 Ultra in interstellar black color option. Yeah, it is a pure matte finish which looks super nice. The best part is we do have a power brick in the box, and that too a 125 watts adapter with type C to type C cable. So nice package overall. You can say the best I've seen so far this year.
Hello, Moto.
Now yes, we have a curved display, which is something I like a lot. It is a 1080p resolution panel and not 1440p, which is quite shocking.
You didn't get a gift?
The awesome part is that 144Hz high refresh rate, so you play games or scroll anywhere, it is gonna give you a super smooth experience. This device is powered with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 silicon, which is not just powerful but is power efficient and got better heat dissipation too. The icing on cake is pixel-like stock skin with some iconic awesome gestures like chopper flashlight and twist for cameras. We also have a dedicated personalization section. You guys can customize icons, themes, font, shape, size and whatnot. So without any doubt, a nice and clean interface, and I love the fact how Moto is still the one using pure stock without any bloatware, something OnePlus is so missing right now. Now the highlight of this device is cameras. So we have a 200 megapixel main shooter paired with a telephoto lens and a super wide angle camera which can also shoot macro images. Guys, this setup can shoot some awesome day and night light images, and here are some samples I shot using this ultra flagship from Moto. Finally, this beast got 4610 mAh battery with 125 watts of insane fast charging. You can go 50% in just 6-7 minutes and full in 19 minutes, which is fantastic. So overall, an awesome package. Got matte black finish, 8 Plus Gen 1 silicon, Dolby Atmos, and yes, that highest megapixel count with stock software inside. This all, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.